My channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start with the question answer series of the chapter Understanding Diversity. I will take the question and answer series of each chapter. So let's begin. Book Discovery of India was written by Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Mahatma Gandhi or Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The national anthem of India was composed by Bankim Chand Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh or Sarojini Naidu. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. The national epic that is performed and sung by both Muslims and Hindu is Mahabharata, Ramayana, Kesar Saga or Hamzanama. So the right answer is Kesar Saga. Kesar Saga is the national epic of Tibet. The fourth one is Pashmina wool is produced from which of the animals? Sheep, goat, ox or dazzos? So the right answer is goat. Goat is found in the region of Ladakh and it is woven, the wool is woven in Kashmir, right? History and dash are often tied in the cultural life of a region. Science, geography, Sanskrit or civics. So the answer will be geography. Both history and geography are interrelated and these are the two factors that defines the cultural life of a region. The fifth one is one of the passes that was considered as a good trade route in Ladakh. Tibet, Kashmir, Uttarakhand or Himachal Pradesh. So the right answer is Tibet. Who is credited with bringing the religion of Christianity to India? Thomas the Apostle, Vasco da Gama, Ibn Battuta, Queen Elizabeth I. The right answer is Thomas the Apostle. He came to the state of Kerala and from there he propagated the religion of Christianity. Match the following with the correct one. Kerala. Kerala is famous for spices. So B. China chati is a utensil that is used for frying. In India we call it as kadhai. Jharkhand is merely a place where it's a state where people meet each other or greet each other by saying Johar. So the answer is D. And China wala is merely a way of fish. It's a way that is practiced in China and Kerala, and both the ways of fishing net are the same. Both the regions have the same way of fishing nets, right? So the A is the right answer. Which state in India observed boat race in its festival? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is Kerala. Kerala is a place where Onam festival is celebrated and during this festival boat race is done, right? So the ninth one is select from the following that represents diversity. Rani works in a hospital while Suresh works in a school. So this is not the right one because two people are engaged in two different occupations, which is not a feature of diversity. Pratima wears long dresses and Sujata wears sari. Let's see the third. Rama goes to public school whereas Sita attends the private school. So two people are going to two different types of school, which is not the right one. Mohan do not allow Dhobi inside his house as he is from a lower caste. So this is an example of racial discrimination. So the second one is the right one because two people are wearing two different kinds of dresses while they are practicing two different kinds of culture. So the second one is the right one. And the last one is the 10th one, that is in Manipur women wear fainik, ghagra choli, chola or sari, that is fainik. The right one is fainik. So stay tuned with me with the next series of my chapters and set of questions. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.